Hello students. The continued part of a CNC part programming. So in the last video we have done with the milling part. Now I'll explain the part programming of drilling part. How to write the program for the drilling operation. Okay. Listen carefully. Let us consider the work part of a 100 by 100. This is the work part of a 100 by 100 mm. Okay. And in the drilling, here it is the x-axis, in this direction it is the x-axis, in this direction is the y-axis, and z is the depth of cut. Okay, so yeah, you have seen the drilling machine. So the drill bit is penetrating to the work surface, so that is nothing but the depth of cut. The value of z is depth of cut, and for this particular operation the depth of cut is given 20 mm. So the tool should be moved inside the workpiece by 20 mm. Okay, see here. So in this part program totally 3 holes are going to be drilled. Okay, so the hole diameter 20 mm, the hole diameter 30 mm, and the hole diameter 50 mm. 3 holes are going to be drilled in this part program, and these 3 holes are located at the different position. Okay, before starting the program, just I'll tell you the coordinates for this hole. Okay, the coordinates for this hole is, see here, x, this is the origin. Let us consider this is the origin, the starting point of a work part. You can take the origin here also, you can take the origin here also, you can take the origin here also. Whatever the origin you have taken, if you are using the absolute coordinate system, all the coordinate values should be taken from that particular origin. Okay, now in this particular program we have taken the origin as a this point, so this is the origin. Now the coordinates x and y value for this particular hole is, see here I have shown the dotted line here, x is 25 and y is 50 here. See here, for this particular hole the coordinates are x is 25, y is 50. Second hole of diameter 30, the x value is 50 and y value is 75. So the coordinates for this particular hole is x is 50, y is 75. Similarly, the third hole, the diameter of 50 mm, the coordinates are, so the value of x in this direction, see here, the value of x is 75 and the value of y it is 25. Okay, so 3 holes are located at a different position, and you have to write the part program to drill the 3 different holes by using the 3 different drill bits. Now here how many tools we are going to be used? 3 tools are going to be used: T01, T02, T03. Already in the tool magazine we have mentioned T01 means diameter of the drill bit is 20 mm, T02 means the diameter of drill bit is 30 mm, and T03 means the diameter of tool is 50 mm. Okay, so every time after completion of one hole you have to make the change the tool. Before that you have to stop the spindle, you have to stop the coolant, again you have to change the tool T02 for the next operation, and the drilling is going to be done. So in the three different locations you are going to be drill the workpiece. Okay, this is the background of a this workpiece where the 3 holes are going to be made. Now start with the block number 1. As I told you in the last program, every code or every this codes are going to be maintained with the help of a number of blocks. Okay, so CNC machine should only understand the serial numbers. You cannot skip any one number here. Okay, N01 after N01 you cannot specify N03, so you have to specify N02. So number should be in a chronicle order. So block number 1, N01 O002. What I told you, O means it is the program number 2. Program number 2. O002 means program number 2. Second block G90, G54, G21. Remember what I told? G90 means absolute coordinate system. All the dimensions are taken with respect to the origin. Okay, we have taken here x is 25, y is 50, means we have taken these values from the origin. For this particular hole, we have taken the x value as a 50, y value as a 75, as we have taken with the reference point as a origin. So this point as a origin. So G90 stands for absolute coordination system. All the coordinates for different holes can be taken from the origin, that is the absolute coordination system, G90. G54, work offset. Tool may be wherever it is, the tool may be initially, so the tool should be moved to the near to the workpiece, that is nothing but the work offset. G21 stands for all the dimensions are, input dimensions are in terms of a millimeter. If it is a G20, then it should be in inches. Now we are using 25, 50, 75, all these dimensions are in terms of a millimeter, that should be provided or indicated with the G code known as a G21. So G90, G54, G21, absolute coordinate system, work offset, and all the dimensions are in terms of a mm. Now N03, block number 3, T01, M06. So T01 means first tool. First we will drill this hole. Okay. So for this we are going to be choose the tool number 1, T01, M06, tool change. Always whenever you use the different tool, or whenever you use the T01, it should followed by the M06, that is T01, tool number 1, M06, tool change. Now tool has been changed, means in your spindle now the tool number 1 is there. Then next block you have to mention the speed as a 1000 rpm. Then you have to give the M03, M08. M03 is spindle rotation clockwise. Now your drill bit is rotating in a clockwise direction and coolant is on. M08 is nothing but the coolant is on. Now next is in the next block G00, X25, Y50, Z2. I have written here. See here, G00 means rapid traverse. So the tool is somewhere else here. Your tool should be moved very fastly. That is indicated by G00. Rapid traverse. The coordinates are given X25, Y50, Z2. So the tool should be moved to the X25. This point is having the coordinates X25, Y50. Right. So I have written here X25, Y50, Z2 I have written. Z2 means surface of the workpiece is Z0. Okay. Your drill bit must be rotated above the 2 mm, initially before giving the depth of cut. Right. So G00, X25, Y50, Z2 means your tool is somewhere else here, and your tool must be moved very rapidly to this position X25, Y50, and it is rotating above your workpiece by 2 mm, Z2. Okay. Then next is G01, Z minus 20. G01 means linear interpolation, and linear interpolation where Z minus 20. Z minus 20 means depth of cut. Surface of the workpiece is 0, so minus 20 means your tool is penetrating to the work surface with the 20 mm. The drill bit is going to be penetrated. The depth of hole or depth of cut is 20 mm. So why I am mentioning minus here? Because the surface of the workpiece is 0. Then if you want to penetrate the drill bit into the workpiece, the Z value must be minus. Okay. Therefore G01, slow movement of the tool where in the Z direction by 20 mm. So first drilling is over. Okay. Now G00, Z2. After completion of first drilling, G00, Z2 indicates that the tool should be moved very rapidly where Z2. So above the workpiece by 2 mm. After completion of first drilling, the tool must become outside from the hole and it should be stay at 2 mm above the surface. Next G28, Z0, M05, M09. So G28 means home position or return to the reference position. Your tool must be moved to the G28 reference position. Z0, the tool after movement of the G28 reference point, the tool should be in the Z direction, it is 0. M05, the spindle should be off. M09, the coolant should be off. Okay. The first drilling is over. After this, the tool should be moved to the reference point and your spindle should be off and your coolant should be off. Now for the next diameter of drilling, again you have to choose the next tool. See here, T02, M06. Here it is a T01, M06. Here it is a T02 M06. Next drill bit whose diameter is 30 mm. We already set in the automatic tool changer as a T01 means diameter 20, T02 means diameter 30, and T03 means drill bit diameter is 50 mm. For this second hole, again here T02 M06. The tool number 2 is taken and tool has been changed. Again in the next block, you have to mention the speed as a 1000 rpm. M03, your spindle is rotating clockwise direction, and M08, your coolant is on now. Again G00, X50, Y75, Z2. So your tool is at the reference point, because in the last cycle you have given G28. So again you have to bring the tool to this position. The coordinates of this position are 50, 75. See here, G00, fast movement of the tool, X50, Y75, Z2. X50, Y75, Z2 means your tool is now in this position. Rotation of the tool is on, and the tool is above the 2 mm above the surface. Then G01, Z minus 20. Again the tool is penetrating slowly into the work surface with the Z value, depth of cut as a 20 mm. And after completion of this drilling, G00, Z2. G00, Z2. Again the drill bit is come out of the workpiece and it is staying at a 2 mm above the surface. Again for this next drilling, again it should go to the home position. G28, Z0, M05, spindle off, M09, coolant on. Okay. Then T03, third tool or third drill bit for the diameter of 50 mm. T03, M06. T03, M06, from the automatic tool changer, the tool number 3 has been taken into the spindle with the code T03, M06. Again you have to specify the speed 1000 rpm. Just I have written here 1000, 1000, 1000. So if it is a drilling, reaming, boring, tapping, then this speed is going to be changes. Okay, remember. So here the speed is 1000. M03, spindle start rotating clockwise direction. M08, coolant is on. Again your tool must be moved to this position. G00, what are the coordinates of this point? X is 75, Y is 25. X is 75, Y is 25, Z is 2. Means your tool is rapidly comes from reference point to this point, stating the X is 75, Y is 25, Z is 2. So your tool is rotating above this workpiece with the 2 mm height of the workpiece. Then G01, linear interpolation, Z minus 20. So Z minus 20 means the tool is slowly penetrating to the work surface to produce the hole into this workpiece with the depth of cut is 20 mm. Once the final drilling of this hole is over, G00, Z2. Again the tool is moving rapidly out of the hole with the height of 2 mm above the surface of the workpiece. Then all the 3 holes are over. Then G28, the tool should be moved to the reference position. Then M05, G28 and Z0 you can use for the same, that is the movement of the reference, because Z0 means after completion of work your tool must be moved to the Z0. M05, spindle off, M09, coolant off. There is no further holes are there. Then the last block is M30. Again if any other hole is there, then again you have to change for the T04, M06. In this way the drilling CNC part programming is going to be written. I hope it is clear. You go once you go through it, and if you have any problem regarding writing the program for the drilling operation, you may contact me. In the next video we will go through the turning program. Okay, thank you.